Hello everyone. Uh, Hello everyone. My name is Manda. I study in SI school. I am 13 years old. Today I want to tell you about accident topic. When you drive motor, you need to wear helmet. If you don't wear helmet when you have accident, so dangerous and can make people die because don't wear helmet when drive motorbike like this picture so dangerous. Some people when they drive if wear helmet they think not handsome and they don't wear helmet and but maybe they think not easy to wear. And they complain that helmet is so expensive, but if he has accident and don't has money to pay to hospital to look after and can make the people and family poor and don't and do you what do you think? Thank you for you listen to me. Please wear helmet when drive motor. Has a good day. When drive don't drinking and don't drive too fast. Bye bye.